In this video, I'm talking all about pictory.ai software in which you can add automatic subtitles to your videos. So in this video, we are going to talk about the feature in Pictory where you can add subtitles automatically to your video. You can edit the videos according to the subtitles. So here we go. So this is the home screen of Pictory. As you can see, there are four options. One is article to video, script to video, visuals to video, and this is edit videos with voice using text. So what we are going to do is we are just going to upload a video. We are going to download a video from a random video from YouTube, and we are going to upload the video, and we are going to generate automatic subtitles. So I'll just download the video.
In a similar response to the China.
Okay, so I've already downloaded one sample video, and I'm just going to select the language from here. So here are multiple options. As you can see, there are Hindi, Russian, Korean, Dutch, Spanish. I'm going to select English US, and I'm going to upload the video, and this is going to take a while. It will take around 5-10 minutes. Okay, as you can see, the transcription, the subtitles have been generated here, okay, on the left hand side. And here, as you can see, there are multiple options. You can just delete some of the parts of the video. As you can see, there are some filler words. You can just select and delete from the video. You can directly remove all the filler words like okay, so you just have to toggle it here, and automatically all the filler words will be removed. You can also remove silence from the words. Can here select more than 2 seconds. Okay, you can just remove the silence from this videos. And this is the subtitles. So you can download in the .srt format, vtt format, or txt format here. So here you go. Pictory is a wonderful subtitle generator. So if you haven't used it yet, I am giving you the link in the description. Just click on the link, and that will direct you to the Pictory website. You can just have a look whether it suits your need or not. So thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.